Hey, what's happening, guys? DMiLLiZ here, just checking out a second-hand shop in Japan. Now, when I first came to Japan, I was like, a second-hand shop? You know, people really want to buy stuff second-hand, like clothes and... But I realized it's big business here in Japan. But in Jamaica, most people wouldn't want to be seen in a second-hand shop, which is kind of strange, because Jamaica is a third world country. Japan is a first world country, but people love the second-hand shop, so... I don't know, guys, but I want to know, you know, are second-hand shops popular in your country? Do people buy from second-hand shops in your country? It's a good question. So, guys, look around, guys. Some weird, interesting stuff. I know there's a lot of things here that probably worth a lot of money, but I don't know, guys. But I see some interesting stuff here, man. Like for me personally, I'll probably pick this up. It's like a nice Power Stone. Nice to have some nice Kokeshi dolls. You know, very detailed. And this one is for 2,500 yen. Now maybe if you put this on eBay and wait a while or market it right, you could probably sell it for 50 bucks. And if someone's interested in Japan, this one 1,800. You know, I think these things are really cool, you know, real authentic Japanese stuff. Some nice carvings. Real interesting stuff inside the second-hand shop, guys. Even tires, man. Even tires and rims, man. Inside the second-hand shop. I wonder if they take steam. I doubt it. Bike helmets. All kind of crazy stuff, guys. Vacuums, irons, computer, TV. All kind of stuff inside here, man. What's this? iPad Touch to 4,000, about $40. Another iPad Touch 8 gig for 30 bucks. I don't know if that's good or not, but second-hand shop, guys. Some nice speakers. A whole lot of interesting stuff inside here, guys. Seriously. Not really in a shopping mood, but I'm here looking around and yeah, stuff like this, man. If you know what you're doing, you could really sell this on eBay. But I really don't want to get. I don't have the time to get into that. Well, what I might do is just snap some pictures and just put them up on eBay. Yeah, this one looks real cool. You can't really see it. But what's this? Got some drills and some welding stuff. Beats, headphones. Tires. The place is massive, guys. Really massive. Wow, even chairs. Look at that one. Playboy chairs, guys. Crazy interesting stuff inside here, man. Whoa. Bane. And what's that? Alien. Predator, Avengers. Wow, it's expensive, eh? 50,000 for the set, I think. I don't know. All kind of toys, guys. You know, don't think of me wrong, guys, but I actually like these toys. They're cool. I wouldn't buy them, but they're fucking cute. They're cute. I put them on my PC or something if somebody gave me, but I wouldn't really buy them. I used to sell them, but they didn't sell well, so I just threw them away. Or they did sell well, but I hate having to go to the post office with a bunch of fucking X-rated looking toys. Crazy toys, guys. Games. All kind of games, man. So a lot of things inside the second-hand shop in Japan, guys. BB guns, not real guns, but they look so real, guys. Look at that stuff, man. They look so real. Look at that. 6,000. You could never have that in Jamaica, man. People would think it's real, though. Look at all this shit. All this stuff looks so real, but the BB guns, guys. BB guns. You got your army fatigue. 3,200. I know there's something in here that could be sold, but I have no clue what that is, guys, and I don't really want to take on that. I really don't want to take on that task right now. You know, I have other things to focus on. But some real cool stuff inside the second-hand shop, guys. Let's take a look over here. What I came inside here for actually is to find a camera lens, but haven't seen any camera lens. Any good camera lenses. They got guitars, musical instruments. Yo, it's crazy the amount of stuff that's inside here, guys. Records, everything you can think of, guys, is inside the second-hand shop. Well, almost everything. Drum set, about 800 US. More guitars, recording equipment, Tascam. That's not bad. Nice. So a lot of things here, guys, you don't have to buy brand new in Japan, you know, if you come here. You can buy used and you're going to be guaranteed that they're good or decent quality. And of course, guys, they have the fashion, guys, yeah? Fashion. Crazy fashion guy, but I'm not a big fan of second-hand fashion. I don't know why. I'm not sure why. No, I guess because I'm from Jamaica. You know, second-hand shoes. Crazy, guys. It's crazy. And I really wonder why in a country like Jamaica they don't have a second-hand shop, but it's because of the culture. You know, bad man don't wear second-hand. It's actually dumb. I've bought maybe one thing at a second-hand shop, and not much. I think it was like a shirt or something. I don't even think I wear it that much. It's a nice looking cap. And sometimes the things in a second-hand shop, sometimes they're new, like this one. This is new. I'd rock that, yo. Too small. This one looks new too. Rock that. Too small. Whole bunch of stuff in here, man. Stuffy. Jordans. We don't want no Jordans. Air freshener. Incense. Michael Jackson in the building. How much for this Nike? 12,000. I think for a second hand. That for me that's kind of expensive. That's not worth it, man. It's better you buy that brand new. Whoa, this Nike looks nice. How much is this? 5,000. No, expensive. So you have to be careful when you're buying from the second hand shop in Japan, guys. Jewelry, all kind of jewelry, guys. Alright, guys, so that's it, guys. We're gonna get out of here, man. Second hand shop chilling, guys. Yeah, man, didn't buy anything, but didn't expect it. Hey. Alright, guys, take it easy, man.